Okay, Pliny 12. Things are getting tougher for our little party of refugees from Vesuvius. Let's see, subdue. This is a little expression that means under the sun, but it means out in broad daylight. Out in the open again. Nevertheless, let's see. The falling of pumice and of the falling of pumice, light and scorched, was being feared. Oof. It doesn't translate very well into English, but you get the idea. So that's one parallel, is the casus. That's your subject there. All right, and this is imperfect passive indicative. So the falling of pumice. And here's a little qualifier. Although light and scorched. Okay, so even though pumice is light, it is rock falling out of the sky. Not a good situation. All right. Let's see, nevertheless, the comparison of the perils chose it. I'm so sorry about this Latin. It's very tortured. So this quote here, this is referring back to this whole concept. Looking back there. The idea of enduring the pumice fall was the option that they chose. A comparison of the perils chose this option, namely the pumice. Whew. So he's really made this extremely terse, this sentence. And in this situation, in fact, look at this, ratio rationem, apodalios timorem timor. So you can see that he's making this little comparison. Maybe I'll write it out here. Ratio with timor and rationem with timorem. And you know, he's got a nice feeling for the words there, the em and the em. So this is the idea that reason, keeping a cool head, is being balanced with fear. I mean, the fear at this point must have been unbelievable. Explosions, rock falling out of the sky, night overtaking the whole place. So, and this is being repeated here. Apodillum, and then apod alios. So there's some kind of, teeter-totter there's something being weighed here, right? A little balance, okay? Ratio's balanced against reason, fear against fear. So here's how it works. With one person, reason conquered reason. With other people, fear conquered fear. I don't really even know what that means. But I think what he's trying to say is, actually, take this guy, for example, reason conquers fear. And take these people, fear conquered reason. And he's just deliberately swapping them, confusing the reader. Boy, that is chaotic. However, that's the theme here. Chaos. So the chaos that's happening in the explosion of Vesuvius is being matched by grammatical chaos.